This is the Halloween story of a dog and a cat and a woman and a rat. The dog saw the cat, and the dog chased the cat. While the dog chased the cat saw a rat. The woman hates rats. She yelled at the dog to stop chasing the cat.
Scout, stop chasing Maisie!
The dog is a brat and never minds, except this time she did. Imagine that. No longer pursued, the cat now chased the rat. The woman went inside to carve her pumpkins and have a bite of dinner. Afterwards, since it was Halloween, she went to place her carved jack-o'-lanterns on her front porch. She was greeted with quite a surprise. She was terrified! And rumor has it, the woman has never been the same since. That's the end of this Halloween story.